This 2024 Lance TC1062 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features a Lapis interior, sleeps 4, skylight, slide-out, smoke detector, refrigerator, awning, microwave, external shower, self-contained, TV antenna, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunk over cab, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.